Okay, this is part 2 of the complete breakdown. Now we're reassembling. We've taken a break, so let's get started. It's late at night. It's between 7 and 8 o'clock, and I got to get this done for work tomorrow. Be right back. Stay right there. I need something. Okay, I have a little rag for some soap. Got to put soap on this to slide it on and to help seal it. So I'm going to put this on my tire, around the rim, around where it goes on the tire rack. I'm going to coat it real nice on both sides of the tire. So when it'll help slide it on there, but it'll also help seal the tire, keep the air sealed out. I'm just using a little ultra dish liquid. Dish liquid works really good. Notice how I'm trying to get all this sealed off. A little dry spot. I'll get it all coated. It's very important. If you don't coat this, chances are it's probably not going to seal and it won't hold air. Kind of remember that if you do this. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to remember this hole right here, this side of the rim. I'm going to lubricate it too to help the new tire slide on. Okay, and I'm going to kind of wipe the old side too, just kind of wipe off any debris. It's a good habit to keep. Now, valve stem here. Start like this, push down as far as you can. The valve stem's on my side. Now, let's see where we're at. Remember, small bites are better. Okay, now I can stand this up a little bit here, since we've got it kind of halfway in here. Hopefully you get this picture in the video. Now, I'm going to work on this side right here. Small bites, small bites, small bites. Small bites are important. Don't want to tear up my rim or my tire flap. Now that we've got one of these in here, we can start working on another side. Remember, small bites. Small as possible. Sometimes it's a little too big. You got to manipulate a little bit. Small bites, probably a little bit too big. Let me pull this out a little bit more here. Tearing up the tire, really important. Remember I said in the other video, that can fly up and hit you in the head. Luckily I expected it. Okay, so now, getting this on here, and be ready to climb. Smaller bars is better, so let's try this one. I want to be really careful not to tear up the tire, because it can rip. Getting there. Almost there. There we go. Now I've got one more side to do. This side. Now see the valve stem. You notice we like putting that one on first, so we don't have to stick a flat bar behind it and tear up the valve stem. So, let's do this. This is a little chore. Use my screwdriver this time. It's kind of chore easier. Okay. I'm just going to kind of work this as we can. I have to put my big foot on it. Wait, whatever, however you gotta do it. That's where the soap comes in handy. And a little prizing. Soap helps slip it on there easier. Now I'll just use a screwdriver, flathead. Alright, I want to slip it around, so I'm going to pin that flathead right there. Put this back in here to help hold the spot. There we go. You notice I kick my foot down where it's in that groove. Groove makes it easier. Sometimes you need 2 or 3 guards. Alright. This got a little hook in it. You can catch a rim with it, that's nice. It helps from sliding back. Carefully, you'll rip the tire. Small bites. Small bites. Okay. Alright. Little by little. Very small bites. Small bites. If it's too big a bite, you can rip your tire. Just kind of inch it on. Almost there. Okay. Now we'll take the hammer. And there we go. Bounce this tire. Trying to help spread it out maybe. Because sometimes sealing it can be hard. Now we're to the point where it's ready for air. Well, I'm going to cut this video short. I'm sorry I didn't show you how to put it back on. We're finished airing it up, but obviously you can see it's dark outside. We're running by light, and please like, subscribe, and share, and tell other people about our station. Maybe we can do something that you like sometime. We just try to do jobs that we need done. If it can help you, it can help you, but this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do not try this at home.